Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is MD Mizanur Rahman Manu and I am going to show you how to connect ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. I have successfully elaborated all the step-by-step procedure in this video. Let's start. And today our record element is this is ultrasonic sensor. Here is 4 pin, VCC, trigPin, echoPin and ground. TrigPin always for output and echoPin always for input. Now connection is VCC connect with 5 board, ground connect with ground, and trigPin connect with 9 number for digital pin, and echoPin connect with 10 number digital pin. Now I connect the USB port with Arduino. Now I am going to code. At first I open this Arduino software. We can measure distance from the ultrasonic sensor, so that's why I use the scale. At first I check the tools and check the port select. Now upload this code. Okay, upload is done, and now I open the serial monitor. Here we see the 15 centimeter or 70 centimeter. Now I use this scale here. If I put this board in 2 centimeter, so our value is 2 centimeter here. If 3, our value is 3. If 7, our value is 7 centimeter. If 10, our value is 10 centimeter and 11 centimeter, 10 centimeter. If 15, this is 15 and 16 centimeter. Okay, no problem. Now I use the buzzer here. Already we declare buzzer pin is the 30 number pin. So buzzer always output. We declare here the buzzer is output, and if the distance is less than 10 centimeter, so buzzer is high. Otherwise buzzer is no. Now I connect the buzzer. Here this is buzzer, and here is positive symbol, means this leg is always positive and another leg is ground. So I connect the 30 number pin with positive and ground connect with ground. 30 number pin connect with the positive side of buzzer, and ground connect with ground. Ground connect with ground of this buzzer. Now here our condition is if distance less than 10. If we put this card here, buzzer is not response. If 9, buzzer is response, because if we open the serial monitor again, our condition is if distance less than 10. If here 13, so condition is not fill up. If 9, the condition is fill up and buzzer is on. So this is very simple project for anyone. You can, if you want, you can try in your home. No more today. Welcome back to watch the next video tutorial. Thank you very much.